Are you having a hard time tracking and paying your field staff? Check'n'DOut. It's a new app that helps you keep up with your team's progress in real time, all right in your pocket. The whole traditional business cycle is integrated into our system. First of all, we set up an appointment with the customer. Then we send them a quote and send the task to the employee. Once it's completed, Anthony can be paid. Let's do it on the app. It can carefully calculate an employee's salary using live tracking. With the live tracking feature, you can have a clear view of each worker's responsibilities and performance. Here's Antonio, and he's still at work. We can pay him according to his workplace tracking. There are 3 tracking modes: automotive, walk, and others. Others mode is for working in a specific location. Now, let's connect with Bryant for our appointment. You can call and chat with your colleagues freely. And you can also connect your customers to the system and control their data access. Our system will work for itself. Check'n'DOut performs well by combining live tracking with a CRM. You can apply Check'n'DOut to any type of business. Download and try Check'n'DOut today.